Lord God.
Let me take you. Let's go. Say, Wana watama muraki. Wana wada chengi. Wana wawang chengi. Hello. Hey, yandani lobo kan. Wana maro. Waken wachalo rambo. Are you ready? Let's go. I want to take you far. Hey. Say, what are you coming out of here? Hello. What I do? What I do? Okay, listen, DJ. Kargital, Bobby Pocket Matwal, Hadi Bedi Dano Logo Tutual. One. Listen, girl, you know I love you. I don't wanna. 1, 2, yeah. I won't give you. For our team warning. 1, 2, 3, DJ. I want to take you far away. Hey, wanna go to Camadano? Yeah. Wanna be? Pull up. Udiringo. Wamedanyim. Can watch it more, watch it fire. More. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, my brother. Big up on yourself. We go. Make some noise for Eddy, Wizzy, gentlemen. I love you so much,
brother.
You've been a big innovation. Lutiano Luomado, and I thank you so much for that. Warama donko. Wamit palo wino rock it out too.
Another MGES.
Why are you there?
Eezzy Lyrical. Gino. 6 champion master.
Let's move over. Whoa. Let's move over.
Nigga.
Champion. Piggy. Hello. Listen.
After this, can we take some water?
Can we take some water?
Wait a minute, we take some water.
Can we take some water?
It's a piggy.
Hey.
It's a piggy.
Let us sing it.
I take choco. Amiro
Piggy.
Amiro choco. Amiro come and knock.
Bet Quayo.
Are you good at it?
Are you ready? Let's go. Piggy. What? Are you feeling the music? Are you feeling the music? DJ Pulo. What am I doing?
Make some noise for Eddy Wizzy. Thanks so much for supporting, man.
One love, brother.
Thanks so much. I'll make sure I call you back on stage. One love. Thank you so much. Ian, you are one of the artists I respect a lot, my brother. You have made a lot for this industry, and I love you so much. Make some noise for Eddy Wizzy, my big bro over here. Jali Eddy, kati mo pero mo ke Roma ke rapin juaro duda pian ana latihan dia. Thank you so much, my brother.
Are you ready for more fire? Are you ready for more music? Thank you so much for coming in big numbers to support my brother Eezzy Music. May God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love you too. We love you too. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ooh. Now, before I go ahead, allow me just invite just one person before we start, because Anna is one of the people that have lifted Northern music.